Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. And on today's episode, we're not working on the car, but I've got your car cover solution. So I was contacted by this company called CoverSeal, and I'm gonna show you the box here, right here, CoverSeal. So they have helped us out and have given us a car cover that we can use on the 911 here. And with this car cover, there's a lot of really great features. But before we get to those, let's go ahead and open up this puppy and see what we got. Okay guys, you can pick these up on Amazon. I'm gonna throw up a discount code as well. You can get 10% off using the Portie discount code. Let's open this up, see what we got. Try to do this, hopefully I don't spear it. Cut it, lift that up there. Oh, I'm excited here. All right, well, see, they put a piece of cardboard on there so you don't cut it. Ooh, nice. And this baby's heavy, and I'll tell you why in a second. Pull her out of the box here. All right. So it comes in a vacuum sealed bag a little bit here. Let's see what we got. There we go. Nice car cover. This looks like a bag for it, which is always nice. So when you're not using it, at least you can store it. Very nice quality. Holy cow. The cover's as good as the bag. We're in business. All right. It's like it's a present. I've got a bow. I feel like it's Christmas here. All right, this is a really nice car cover. So comes in a light duty and a heavy duty product. This is the heavy duty product, so if you're gonna use it outside, definitely wanna have the heavy duty product. It has UV protection on it. Will hold up in the rain, in the snow, especially if you're in Michigan. You definitely wanna have something that's gonna hold up in the snow. All right, this is pretty solid. Let me get turned around here and we're gonna put this on the car. Okay, let me show you how easy this is to get on and off. So one thing you'll notice, and I'll show you a little bit more on this is weighted. And it's weighted in a way that it's gonna stay on this car. So there's a little bit of gotta get it like half on here, and then once you get halfway over, it's super easy to pull up and over. Again, it's weighted, so make sure you got her down. Nice. So with this being weighted, it's gonna keep all the bugs, all the insects, all the rain, all the snow off. It is loose fitting, so the snow should come off. It's not gonna get stuck in spots and stuff like that. But this is really sweet. I mean, look at this. It fits really nice. You can kick these under, so you got them kind of out of the way. Give it a nice tight seal. I think this is awesome. Let's go over a few of the other features of this. Okay, let's hit a few of the other features of this. It does have this RipStop premium fabric. This stuff is gonna hold up when you're outside. Again, this is the heavy duty model. So I think, this is really gonna protect your car. It's got the UV protection on it. It reflects like 90% of the sunlight. So it's really gonna keep your car from getting too hot. It does have these vents here too. So it does let some of the air come out, but it is protected. So if it's raining or snowing, you're not gonna have that. And one of the things I really like about this, like I said before, I've had some vermin, mice issues before with some of the cars. Even in the garage, I've had that issue. What this cover has that no other cover has, that at least that I've seen, is this is weighted. It's kind of hard to show you this, but this bottom part here, it's got a tube in here and it's filled with sand, so it's weighted. That's gonna stay on the ground, so nothing's gonna come underneath it. The wind's not gonna pick it up, and trust me, I've had cars outside here in the Michigan winters. That wind hits it, the next thing I know, my car cover's down in the cul-de-sac at somebody else's house, covering up their bushes, and my car is not protected at all. This is gonna help that out. It's rated up to, again, 40 miles per hour. So I think this is really a top-notch car cover that's really gonna protect your car and keep it safe, whether it's in the garage or it's outside. And if you just look at a few other things too here, they give you a label, so you front, you know what's in the front, and then come on here to the back. This is really cool. I think this just looks kind of neat. The CoverSeal logo, it's just, you know, it's got a seal. It's kind of cool, a little play on words. But not only that, this cover just looks good. It looks good on the car. You're not gonna have something that's an eyesore sticking out either in your garage or outside your garage. Hey guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. If you need a car cover for your vehicle, I highly suggest CoverSeal. Premium quality product. It's not gonna rot on you after the first year. It's got great features like the UV protection. It's not gonna blow off. It's got the weighted bottom to keep out all the vermin or mice that you may run into, whether it's inside or outside. So I'm also gonna put a link in the description below so that you guys can cop yourself a nice CoverSeal, as well as the discount code, which is Portie, to get yourself 10% off the next purchase. So if you like this kind of content, please give us a like, a subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.